The London session has started. Bit of a crap week last week. If you're new here, I'm currently trading 3 Topstep funded accounts, the 50k accounts, and each account is sitting at negative $338. So my goal is to get that back into positive figures, and hopefully we can at least get some of the way there this week. We've had that sweep and then the continuation. I'll set my order up to go long. That's now hit my target. Didn't quite fill my order. Yeah, no trade there. Yeah, no trade for me in the London session. Only really had one set up and my order didn't quite get filled, so yeah, hopefully have a bit more going on in the New York session. I'm just out walking the dog. There's this nice little stream that we like to come down to, and there's always loads of little baby ducks and stuff this time of year. But yeah, it's a nice rainy day. I quite like a rainy day. But yeah, it's a nice little walk. There's a great big fish over there. I don't know if you can see it very well, but probably about the length of my arm. Right, it is the New York session and I'm looking for shorts today. That's my order filled. I'm entering quite aggressive, but I'm looking to enter off this turtle soup. Technically speaking, I should be able to move my stop loss to break even now, because we shouldn't want to come back up here again. We have just swept these highs. I'm not going to, just in case. I want to be stopped out too early. If this holds, it would be a nice SMT, but I'm not sure if it's going to. Yeah, I've been stopped out. That was a $110 loss on each account. May have just been a bit too aggressive with that. Got a bit too excited, I think. Probably should have moved my stop loss to break even like I thought about. Let's put my order on again. I think it's going to make the same move. It's just come up and stop me out first. Nice of it. I'm not sure if I'll get filled, but this is... I can't bring my entry any lower because my stop loss is already too big. My order is being filled. This will be my last attempt. Obviously, if I get stopped out again, then I've obviously got the wrong idea. My initial target is the low of this new week opening gap. So if we hit here, I'll be moving to break even. I would like to be able to push down to here. That's me stopped out again. Frustrating, so I don't think I've got it wrong. I feel like it's going to at least come and take this new week opening gap. Today it's just, when is it going to do it? We've got Powell speaking later. Maybe the market is just misbehaving because of that. I mean, obviously 100 points might have been a bit of a push, but yeah, I'd at least have expected it to come to there. Been a bit of a shitty start to the week. 211 down on each count. Yeah, 630 odd. down over all three. Not the best way to start Monday. Yeah, I'm just going to call it a day. I think the market is just going to not do a lot until Powell makes his speech, and then we'll probably get the move that I was after. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see tomorrow what occurred. That's me now done for the day. So yeah, what am I down for the day? I'm $633 down for the day. July is not turning out too great at the minute. 1,800 down for the month. But that's me done, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Morning guys, it's London session has just started. Just looking back at yesterday, and we did eventually hit my target. We just went up 100 points in the other direction first. I suppose that's the dangers of obviously becoming so confident with your bias. I was convinced I had the right idea and it was going to do what I thought it was going to do. Obviously that's never true. No one ever knows what it's going to do. And yeah, both trades weren't actually my normal setup, so I was just overly confident with it, and obviously yeah, got humbled because of that. But all the accounts are sitting now at negative 550, so yeah, a lot of work to do to get back where I was. Just take it one day at a time.
4 hours later.
No trade for me this session. There was absolutely nothing. It's been sort of quite choppy. Sort of moved down into the new week opening gap, and we just sort of chopped around there, and yeah, it didn't give me any entry. I've just got a few minutes until the New York session starts. The bias for the day is bullish. I would like to see a retracement first, possibly a retracement to the new week opening gap, then an SMT orienter targeting this blue line up here. Oh, I've gone long. I would like us to be a bit more aggressive, but we've got this SMT. We've violated this inverted fair value gap. The ES is pushing up majorly, so I feel like the NQ is going to follow. We stopped out. $114 loss. Like I said, I would like this green candle be a bit more displacement with it. But other than that, the setup was there. Yeah, I'm just going to call it a day there. I think I've just got the wrong idea. I mean, it might potentially reverse here, but I definitely don't feel comfortable longing on this. So a bit annoyed with myself. I don't normally. We'd already taken the Asia high. I wouldn't normally then get into a trade from that, but Wednesday tomorrow, so yeah, no trade tomorrow. I don't normally trade Wednesdays, so I'll be back Thursday to hopefully improve the week a little bit. But yeah, I'm just going to chill out now for the rest of the afternoon, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. So on Wednesdays I don't take trades. I find it's too choppy for me, so I just try to avoid it. So what I do, I make Wednesday my sort of chore day. Me and the wife go shopping in the morning, and then we actually have a bit of a date day normally, and we're going to go do some clothes shopping. She needs a few bits. Shout out to all the hero boyfriends and husbands out there that get dragged around clothes shopping with their partners, but it should be good. Just got back in from taking my wife to work, and I just walked in the room and the cat's been sick everywhere, so I'm gonna have to just clean that up at 4:30 in the morning. Good morning guys, the London session has just started. If we can get in a scalp or two. I've just missed my fill there. Hopefully it comes back and fills me out to jump over to micros because my stop was quite big. I think I sort of filled. Let's take profit hit. There's a $146 win on each account, and that has ended my 6 loss losing streak, so thank fuck for that. Let me order up. We've had that sweep and then the continuation. Didn't get there quite in time again. That might not get filled. Some order filled. I'll just go on a break even if I don't want it to it's already tapped my entry a few times. Yeah, stop me out. Yeah, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it tapped my entry. That was bloody lucky, when it straight to where my stop loss was. But yeah, once it taps my entry that many times, I don't love to be in. Yeah, glad I avoided that one. Still managed to lose $15 though. It's fucking shocking. $2.80 in fees, which is fine, and then yes, $15 on a break-even trade. The fills just haven't been great recently. I ended up finishing the session at $117 up on each account. I had that $15 break-even trade, and I also tried to get in a practice trade on my practice account, and then realised I wasn't on my practice account and had to quickly close the trade for a $7 loss as well. So I've taken it down from what was I at, 145 up to now 117 up, but it is what it is. Being stupid basically. Yeah, we'll see what's occurring in the New York session. So I think I'm just going to skip this session. My target would have been the Asia low, and we hit that late in the London session. So yeah, I'm not going to try and force anything. It may want to come back down and continue pushing, but yeah, my target is hit for the day, so I'm not going to try and force anything, and yeah, try and actually have a green day for a change. Yeah guys, so there was no trade for me on Friday. I didn't actually end up looking. I just went out with some family. Just wanted to apologise for how sort of patchy this week's been. I'm still trying to get used to this whole film and everything malarkey. And I just wanted to thank everyone as well who watched last week's video. I think it got 1.5 thousand views in the end. So yeah, I really appreciate all the comments and the likes and yeah, just generally watching. And yeah, I'm trying my best to try and make these videos as best as I can for you. And hopefully each week they'll get a bit better. But yeah, not a great week, but hopefully next week's a bit better. Let me know in the comments what your week was like. Got to be better than mine. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week.